Welcome to our Python presentation. Today, we'll explore the basics of Python programming, its features, and why it's a valuable skill to learn. Let's dive in and discover the world of Python together. To begin setting up Python, visit python.org/downloads. Download and install the latest version. Remember to check Add Python to P8 during installation. This step ensures Python is accessible from the command line. Next, install Visual Studio Code. Download it from code.visualstudio.com. Follow the standard installation process. VS Code is a powerful editor that enhances your coding experience with Python. Install the Python extension in VS Code. Open VS Code, go to Extensions, and search for Python by Microsoft. Click Install to enable features like IntelliSense and debugging for Python. Test your setup by creating a new file named test.py. Add the line print hello world. Right-click the editor and select Run Python file in Terminal to execute your code. This concludes our first tutorial. You've successfully set up Python and VS Code. You're now ready to start coding in Python. Let's move on to explore Python's features. Python is easy to learn with its simple syntax and few keywords. This makes it accessible for beginners. Additionally, Python's readability ensures that code is clear and easy to understand. Python is easy to maintain, with a broad standard library that is cross-platform compatible. Its interactive mode supports testing and debugging, making development efficient and effective. Python is portable, running on various hardware platforms with a consistent interface. It's also extendable, allowing the addition of low-level modules to enhance functionality and efficiency. Python supports databases, providing interfaces to major commercial databases. It also facilitates GUI programming and is scalable, supporting large programs better than shell scripting. Why learn Python? It's open source and free, simple to learn, and versatile. With powerful libraries for AI and ML, Python is in high demand, offering lucrative career opportunities. Python opens doors to various careers, including game development, web design, data science, and more. Its versatility makes it a valuable skill in today's tech-driven world. This concludes our second tutorial. We've explored Python's features and career opportunities. Let's continue to learn more about Python's history and technical aspects. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. The first version was released in 1991. Today, Python continues to evolve, with the current version being 3.134. Python has a set of reserved words that have special meaning and cannot be used as identifiers. Familiarize yourself with these keywords to write effective Python code. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, unlike other languages that use braces. Consistent indentation is crucial for Python code to function correctly. This concludes our third tutorial. We've covered Python's history, reserved words, and indentation. Let's move on to explore more advanced Python concepts. Python allows multi-line statements using a \# character. This feature is useful for breaking long lines of code into more readable segments. In Python, statements within brackets do not require a line continuation character. This allows for clean and organized code, especially when dealing with lists or dictionaries. Python supports both single and double quotes for strings. Use single quotes for simple strings and double quotes when the string contains a single quote.